Welcome back. Margao municipality has planned to open a Seva Kendra in Vasco. The body has identified an ideal shop premises to start the Seva Kendra. Kendra is a directive of State Urban Development Ministry and it aims to empower self-employed women and self-help groups.
जे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप महिला मंडळ तांकां सेवा केंद्र म्हणजे जशें की सगळे दिवाळे आयटम्स कितें कितें आसता पळय ते हांगा दवरून ते सगळे लोकांक एक बरो एक बेनिफीट दिवपाक आमी हें ओपन करपाचें सेवा केंद्र म्हणून आमी हांगा येयल्लेच इन्स्पेक्शन करपाक.
कम्युनिटी डेव्हलपमेंट सोसायटी अंडर स्किमी आहा न्हू तितून जशें म्हायती घर आसता ते लँड एंड सर्वेचे डॉक्युमेंट मेळटा तशें डेप्युटी सीएमान ह्या स्किमी अंडर फंड दिला की सेवा केंद्र ओपन करा म्हणून आनी सेवा केंद्राचो फायदो ह्या महिलांक जातलो. खुबशे सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप आहा आनी हेजे पलीकडे आमी एक डिसिजन घेतला कावन्सिलान काल मिटिंगान आमचे CDS मिटिंगान की जेन्ना जेन्ना फेस्टिवल आसतले कितें सण आसतले जाल्यार आमी जशें महाराष्ट्राक बीन तुमी पळयला आसतले ते महिला उद्योग फेस्टिवलाच्या निमित्तान कसले तरी एक आयटम सवाय दिता ते आमी करपाचें चिंतला. दिवाळी जातली, क्रिसमस जावं गणेश चतुर्थी
इतले सेल्फ हेल्प ग्रुप्स बी आसा पण तांकां प्लेस ना कितें तयार केले जाल्यार विकपाक आपले प्रेजेंट करपाक प्लेस ना. सो डेप्युटी सीएमान कितें सांगलां ईच म्युनिसिपालिटीन स्वताचें सेवा केंद्र ओपन करपाचें आनी एज पर चीफ ऑफिसर प्रॉमिस्ड आमी आमचे म्युनिसिपालिटीचो एक रूम दिवन आमी ओपन करतले आनी हो एक आमचो एम्प्टी आसा रूम. सो आमी डिसायड केला हो रूम ओपन करून सेवा केंद्र ओपन करतले.
The 2013-14 I-League has dished out entertaining football action already and looks to be heading towards becoming one of the most unpredictable title races in Indian history. At the end of 33 matches, 81 goals have been scored at a healthy average of 2.5 goals per match. New entrants Bengaluru Football Club are surprisingly perched at top, while defending champions Churchill Brothers are placed second last in the team standings. Watch the Prudent analysis of Goan I-League clubs.
Who would have predicted that defending champions Churchill Brothers will be placed second from the bottom at the end of 5 rounds of the 2013-14 I-League campaign? The Varka-based club are struggling to put together decent performances. Churchill are one of the 2 clubs in the 13-team I-League yet to notch up a victory this season. Coach Marian Dias is under pressure to change the fortunes of his team, which has just 2 points from the maximum available 15. Churchill will have to do something quickly if they want to retain the title, as they have already fallen 11 points behind leaders Bengaluru FC. India's most successful club, Dempo Sports Club, are going through a transition phase, and their 8th position in the table is a testimony to the challenge they are facing. After winning their first match of this season's I-League against a formidable East Bengal, it looked like new coach Arthur Papas's boys had found their footing. But a comprehensive defeat to Bengaluru FC meant Dempo have not come back to their consistent character. The Golden Eagles have played 6 matches and have just 6 points in their tally. Papas will have to work on the defense a bit more than on the attack, as they have shipped 11 goals so far. Sargaonkar Football Club are the most impressive amongst the 4 I-League teams from the state as of now. The Green Brigade has played entertaining football so far and occupies 2nd position in the table after 5 matches. Sargaonkar's new signing Daryl Duffy has been sensational and is the leading goal scorer with 5 goals to his credit. The hallmark of Sargaonkar has been its compact defense and sharp attack. New coach Derek Pereira has done wonders with the Vasco-based club within no time at all. Sporting Club the Goa are tied on points with Sargaonkar FC, but due to their lesser goal difference, the Flaming Orange are 4th in the team standings. Back-to-back victories against Mohan Bagan away and Rangdajid United at home has lifted Oscar Bruzon's side into the top 4 bracket. Sporting captain Boima Kape is in fine goal-scoring form, and if his run continues, the Panji-based club will go far this season. Bureau Report, Prudent.
Kingfisher Voice of Goa Mapusa Audition concluded on Friday. Final audition will be held at Margao on Sunday. Semi-final will be held on 1st November at Verna. The grand finale will be on 9th November in Margao. Here are some excerpts from Voice of Goa auditions.
Kenda suci tu kena slay, kau nak dina gagal say. सायबा म्हाका मोगलाक तसले गोमाका मेवला बेबदो सायबा काजार जावन फसले. Stupid Cupid, you're a real mean guy. I'll let you clip your wings so you can fly. I'm in love and it's a crying shame, and I know that you're the one to blame. Hey, hey, set me free. Stupid Cupid.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.